Hi everyone, today I will be making special crispy rice. You know why I call it special crispy rice? Because we will serve it with the special dip. Okay, let's start together. First, we will clean 3 cups of glutinous rice well. To cook it, we just add the water to cover the rice. Now let's prepare other ingredients. Here is dried mushroom. I soak it in the water for half an hour. After soaking and it turns soft, you can chop it. I use only 2 ounces. Then chop 3 clove garlics. Chop 1 shallot. Here is dry chilies. I soak it in the water. It turns soft and then I finally chop it. We will use only half tablespoon. For the shrimp, they are already peeled. It weighs 7 ounces, so chop it. Now let's move to the sticky rice. It's cooked so we can round it up. The tools we need are round bottle lid and plastic film. Put the plastic film on the lid, then you can put the sticky rice on top. This is a little trick. Do not press the sticky rice, just spread it, otherwise it won't be crispy. Then turn it over and remove the plastic film. After you finish the rounding up, you can put it in the air dryer or sun dry it for 3 to 4 days until it's completely dry. Here is the sticky rice that was sun dry already. We have prepared everything, so let's deep fry the dry sticky rice. After dropping the sticky rice into the hot cooking oil, you just flip it back and forth until it turns crispy. Now the sticky rice puff up and become crispy, so you can remove it from the cooking oil. Now let's move to the sauce or special dipping sauce. We call it natang. First, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the cooking oil turns hot, put half tablespoon chopped dry chili. Stir fry the chili till the cooking oil turns to beautiful color. Then you can put chopped garlic and shallot in. Stir to combine it till it turns soft. After that, you will put 10.5 ounces of pork mince. Stir fry till the pork is 50% cooked. Next is dry mushroom. Toss it over medium heat until everything is cooked. Let's seasoning it a little bit. Add 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 2.5 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons oyster sauce, and then you can stir fry to combine everything. Then chop shrimp. Combine the shrimp with other ingredients. Last thing, pour 1 2/3 cup of coconut milk in. Stir to combine it and bring it to a boil. It's boiling now, you can remove it from the stove. The taste of this special sauce has the balance between salty and sweetness. Now we have done the special crispy rice with the special dip. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!